I'm Robert from Roughchild. Sorry for being quiet for a while. Sometimes you just got to shut up and do the work. We did the work. This is our new Freeway Flier. This started life as a 1980 BMW R100. And what's significant about the 80 part is that it was BMW's first update of the engine and the gearbox, but still got the heavy flywheel. So because we're going for Freeway Fly, we've got a heavy flywheel, sintered race clutch and long gearing on the back. We need a sintered race clutch because we've got 1070cc big bore kit, Euro, big port, big valve heads, twin plugged, smart carbs, and this beautiful Hosk exhaust system. Went with the Hosk this time for the length primarily, but it sounds amazing. The length, because we've got the subframe and the saddlebags. Wixom saddlebags that we've reworked, just the same as our first Freeway Flyer. Obviously finished in silver this time. The Wixoms would have come with red lights on the back, swap those out for ambers. They now act as the turn signals. Bags are fixed to the bike, not removable, hardwired and on. Back to the engine. Yeah, the usual hot rod stuff. It moves, it really pulls. The heavy flywheel and all that power feels really smooth. And then you've got a sport cam on top of that and lightweight lifters. Oh, but the best part, 1972 toaster tank. This was actually an original Polaris silver tank. Been hanging on my wall for at least 10 years. And my good friend Gordy phoned me. He actually ordered a bike from me about 12 years ago, 10 years ago, about as long as I've had the toaster tank. He said, I'm ready for my second one. I've seen the new stuff, let's do it. In that interim, he got a bike from me and then he opened the biggest, best new BMW dealership in Georgia. So if you want to go and buy a new one, go and buy it from him. But if you want a really cool one, come get it from me. Öhlins front end, wave rotors. Got the new gauge setup, that's pretty standardized across all of the bikes now. GPS speedo, electronic tack. Kind of an homage to, it was supposed to be an homage to Porsche 356, but because of the modern twist, it kind of looks like new 911 ST gauges. Changed the layout of the LEDs, and obviously tributes the original BMW gauges because they're green. Original Polaris 72 toaster tank. 72 wouldn't have had pinstripes, they came in 73. R90S airbox grilled. I found that these new SC3 smart carbs, they're a little bit trickier than the SC2s. And I found that the clamshell airbox is a little bit restrictive. They want more air. I think that's what I got. But it really is a fun one. And it's not trying to be a custom bike, is it? Because it's still got the full-length subframe and seat and bags. It's very sensible and mature, but it sounds like a Spitfire. It's great. Hand-built bars, weld-on levers, internal throttle. Goes one into a splitter, two cables into the smart carbs. I get so many messages about the smart carbs. Buy them, do it. Great, really fabulous carburetors. I've only got 60 miles on this on the break-in. I've had biblical rain in the last couple of weeks. Haven't been out on it nearly as much as I should. That pretty much sums up what we've got. We're going to start it up, we're going to ride it around. Got a longer fifth in the gearbox, all the good stuff.